Welcome to Exammap. So in this video we will learn about Mewar and the style of Marwar. You can visit our website isbio.com or exammap.com, or you can message on our WhatsApp number for personal guidance and notes. So Mewar and Marwar style belongs to Rajasthani painting, that is Rajput painting. It is a style of Indian paintings developed and flourished during 18th century in the royal courts of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has played a significant role in the growth of Indian art, like other fine arts, paintings, which is flourished widely in this region and established a distinct form called Rajasthani paintings. Because of its charming folk, artistic and feudalistic perspective, many styles of paintings developed here. Among them, Mewar, Bundi, Kishangarh schools acquired worldwide acclaim. So, each Rajasthani school of painting has its distinct and unique style and the representation of the hills, colors and places of Rajasthan. So, he is the pioneer in the miniature paintings. Miniature means small. So, first we have Meward style. It is a painting of Udaipur, Nathdwar and Devgarh areas. The part of Rajmala paintings, which is done in 1605, and preliminary and original form of Rajasthani painting. This painting, influenced by the Ajanta tradition as artists and Guhil rulers of Vallabhipur, came to Mewar and applied the Ajanta after Baj Bahadur, the ruler of Mandu, was defeated by Mughals in 1570. The growth of Vallabha sect in Rajasthan, and it is a major characters of Radha Krishna. The portraits of birds and animals shows Gujarat origin and Mughal influence through realistic treatment of horses and elements. Male and female figures have long nose, oval-shaped faces, elongated fish-like eyes. This is the influence of Abhramsa style. The female figures have drawn relatively smaller than the male. Here we have some sub-styles. The first one we have heard about the word is Nath Dwar sub-style. The major theme is Krishna and his idols and the influence of Brij and Mughal. Brij influence as the painters migrated from Brij, and Mughal influence is the Mughal ruled almost all the princely states of Rajasthan at that time. The feature of Nath Dwar sub-style is that it surpassed all in its large size cloth wall hangings, which is known as pictureways. So the feature of Nath Dwar painting is large size cloth wall hangings, and it was known as pictureways. Second substyle is Devgarh substyle, which is influenced by Devgarh Thikana, and this title is used by the rulers of princely states. It shows impact of Marwar region, and the feature of this substyle is use of thick and well balanced lines, abundance of green and yellow colors. Next substyle is Marwar style. It is about 16th century, and paintings developed in the royal families of Kishangarh, Bikaner, Jodhpur, Nagaur, Pali and Ghaneru, and the theme of Marwar style was usually dealt with the court life. The festival ceremony, elephant fight, hunting expedition generally portrayed, and themes also borrowed from the Lord Krishna lives. So substyle of Marwar style is Jodhpur substyle, which is inspired by the folk tradition. It was in 17th century, and robust warriors and dainty women has the main theme here. The famous painting was legendary lover Dhola Maru on cattleback. Innumerable horses and elephants dominate the paintings, and male was stoutly built and tall, curved mustache and touching till throat. The dress it was in paintings the royal and the splendor. Second substyle of Marwar style is Bikaner. It was present at 16th century and more Mughal than Rajasthani, as Bikaner states close ties with Mughal court. Influenced by Deccan paintings and also by the surroundings like hill, valley, desert and garden, and the feature is eyes similar to deer. Color used by this substyle in the paintings is green and blue and red color. The turban of styles of Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb along with the high turbans of Marwari fashion. So we have discussed about the Mewar and Marwar style. Thank you class.